State Bank of Pakistan. Art competition. For new banknote designs. State Bank of Pakistan, SBP, has initiated the process for issuance of a new banknote series. Local artists, designers and art students, designers are eligible to participate in the art competition. Highlight social and cultural identities, demographic diversity, climate change and environment protection, economic development, natural landscapes, architectural heritage and national symbols. The artists are expected to come up with novel designs and ideas. The designs should be submitted to Director, Finance Department, State Bank of Pakistan, 1.1. Chandriga Road, Karachi. Last date to submit designs: the 11th of March, 2024. Terms and conditions. The participants can share design of all the 707 existing denominations Rs, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500, 1000 and 5000 or fewer denominations based on their choice. Design for each banknote shall be presented in hard copy on white paper along with a write-up of not more than 100 words in English or Urdu explaining the design and its theme. The colors of each banknote denomination should be unique and easily distinguishable. A jury comprising reputed artists will evaluate the designs and recommend the top 606 designs for each denomination to the SBP for picking the top 3 designs of each denomination. The first, second and third designs of each denomination will be given the prize of Rs.500 and Rs.300 respectively. The participants shall ensure that their submitted designs are free from any copyright claims and/or any liabilities. The members of the jury, SBP and its subsidiaries, employees and their family members shall not be eligible to participate in the art competition. The designs submitted in the art competition will be sole property of the SBP and the SBP will be at liberty to share the design or any modification thereof with the banknote designers for the purpose of banknotes designing, without any extra compensation. For any questions and clarifications about the art competition, please contact us at banknotes@sbp.org.pk. State Bank of Pakistan.